Okay. Now there's a work I will. So first thing, I want to welcome us to this particular session of citation and references plus AI. I will soon start sharing my screen now. Okay. It's a practical session, so we are going to be very fast. Yes, you can have the PowerPoint. I will send it to us. I will send it to us. You can have the PowerPoint. Okay. So the first thing I want to show us tonight is I hope everybody can see my face now. Okay, and my screen at the same time. Okay. So it's going to be like 5 or 10 minutes we are going to have now for this particular class. Now, I want to show us something. This is a work that somebody sent to me that will help him to reduce the plagiarism of this work. Of course, the person paid for it. On doing it, I saw some errors in the citation and references, majorly in his citation. So I want to show us so that we don't make the same mistake. Now, the first thing is this, please. Citation are not done like this. There's nothing like BS Shavani et al. 2024. No, this ought not to be there. You must get your citation right. I'm saying this because when you are using AI to do your citation and references, AI can do anything for you. You are the one that will now go through it yourself and smoothing it out yourself. I told the person, I said, going through your work, it means that, I told him, it means you used AI for this writing and you did not go through it to fine tune it. I did a training on how to spot AI writing. Citation and references is one of the way you can spot AI writing. When the person decided not to go through it, or maybe the person does not even know what in-text and end-text citation is. He just copied what AI brought and put it in his work. You understand? So that ought not to be there. Now look at this. Recently, for example, Za et al. 2026 has shown this is wrong. This is wrong. This is what we call in-text citation, and it's wrong. This is what you do here. Za et al. 2026 has shown. Are you with me? And if you don't want to do in-text citation here, you don't want to. So you can say that, you can cut it. Recently, for example, it has been shown that. Now you say it has been shown that, and you said all these things. Of course, when you say it has been shown that, you have to tell us who showed it. Now you now put the end text citation here, which is this. Are you with me? That is in text and end text. So you have to understand this. Now you see some other errors in his work. I'll please show us now. Before I told us I have a meeting now. Now look at this. Specifically targeting the synergy of multi-agent and multi-scale architectures of a special landmark detection. And put this here is still missing. This is wrong. This one ought to be here. This shows that this person used AI but did not go to the work. Remember, we are looking at how AI and references meet together as citation. So the first thing is that when you are using AI for your reference and citation, you might not, let me say, 80% the in-text and end-text will be wrong, except you use the correct AI. And one thing I want to tell us tonight is that the AI that does correct citation and references are not free. And they are not that much. Most AI hallucinates. That's why they will tell you that AI can write for you, but AI cannot do citation and references for you. Because most AI, what they do is they hallucinate. Are you with me? So you have to understand that you must school yourself in citation and references. Then after that, when you have that knowledge, you can now bring AI into the place so that AI can give you maybe 60% advantage. The 40% of all your knowledge will come in. So it's very important we note that. I mean, there is even a major error that I saw in this work that got me so annoyed. Where are you? I'm looking for it. I mean, look at this. How can citation be like this? This is citation. This is not done. This is practically AI. It's AI that did this. But the person did not sit down to correct it. Or the person do not know what citation and reference or how to deal with this. You know, it's possible that the person does not even know that this is wrong. You know, it's possible that the person did not know that this is wrong. So how do you deal with this? Of course, you have multiple citation for a particular um paragraph. So when you started this person, semicolon. Okay, you take this person out. Semicolon. Take the person out. Semicolon. And this person. This is how you cite this. And when you are citing this, you cite from lower to the highest, meaning that 2020 should come first. Then 2022 should come next. Then you have this. Then after that, this one can come next. That should be add. You delete this. This is what you do here. You can see the person still made the same mistake here too. Please, you have to know this. Please, I beg you. Make sure you understand citation and references very well. If you don't, go for the research training. Go for the project writing training. Train yourself. This is terrible. Are you with me? I told the person, I said, you need to register for my training. No matter how much it costs you. Sometimes when you are not trained and you think you know and you are not trained, your mistake can cost you a lot of things. And on how much? You understand? So, all right, so let's quickly use AI to deal with this. So there's a work I wrote with AI. I helped somebody else to do statement of the problem. You understand? And then I think I used ChatGPT to do it or something. So look at it. Can you see there's no citation here? There's barely no citation. Okay, I have citation here. Sani and Ololade 2026. Okay. Okay, I have one here. So, but anyway, citation is scanty, very scanty on this work, on this problem. Very, very scanty. So what did I do? There's an AI that I use very well, that I love, that gives me quality citation and give me the journal so that I can reference it. You understand? So that's Jenny AI. Jenny AI. So I contact Jenny AI, assuming I could call him, but I didn't call. I subscribed. I subscribed for a long time, but fortunately, the subscription finished today. No, finished. Yeah, I think it was yesterday it finished. Finished yesterday. But I've done what I wanted to do before it finished. So let me quickly show us what it did for me. So this Jenny AI. I mean, this is one of the AI that I trust that does not hallucinate. It goes and search databases. It searches Scopus. Are you with me? It searches Scopus. It searches PubMed. It searches talk of the AI, talk of the database that you have. It's going to search it for you. All that. So let's continue. All right. So this is one of the AI that I know that does not hallucinate. Okay, it gives you proper citation, it gives you proper references. Okay, I'm sorry, you do your references yourself. The references, you do it yourself. But the citation, it does it properly. Give you code, give you the journal, the direct journal. They give it to you. So you can now you can now do the citation or the references yourself. Rather, it should have done citation for you. So I contacted Jenny AI that was contacted. Oh, what did I do? I went to the app to chat it up. So I chat up the AI of. So you can look at what I did. I said help to add citation and references to this write-up. Do not change the write-up. Just add citation. Recent, meaning that put recent citation to it, and don't repeat citation. One of the things that AI does that is to repeat citation. You understand? Don't repeat, meaning that go to the databases and find the right journal for all these sentences. So that's what it does. So I posted it. And then you can now see Nigeria public infrastructure sector as long. So you put the citation there. Look at it. Look at you can see the journal. That journal is so perfect. I'm telling you. So how do you get this journal? You can just copy this like this. I've copied it. I've copied it like that. So I will open my Google, or better still, I go to Qbot. Do you know? Do you know Qbot? I go to Qbot and I will paste that particular name, the name of the journal that I saw. I will paste it. I've pasted it and I will click cite. Remember, you must know how to use keyboard. Please, this training is not how to use keyboard. Okay, so you must have known how to use keyboard. But since I want my references to be in upper style, so I've changed it to upper 7 style, meaning that it's going to give my references in upper 7. So I'll click this cite. So what's the name again? What's the name of that? External quality assurance, of course. Okay. External, okay, so this is it. So you can now see this is references and this is citation. So since what I want is that Jenny have helped me do the reference, helped me do the citation, but I need the references. So I'll be copying them one by one to get it. So this is citation, this is references. So I'll copy this and put it in my document as the citation or as the references for this. So it has done another references here, this another citation here. So I will copy this. I'll bring it to references of the keyboard. I'll put it here. I'll click on cite. Investigation, I'll click on it. So I have it. Assuming I want Harvard, I'll just click on this and change it to Harvard. And then do it again. So I will copy this, meaning that I have quality citation for my write-up and I have the references. Not every AI can get it to journal the way GenAI is doing it. So that's what it does for me. You understand? So when I saw this, I knew that this is a mistake. I don't want to 2013. I said recent. So I deleted this and I went online to get it directly for myself. So how do you do that? I will just copy this. Copy. I'll put it on Google. So Google will give me the journal that's very related to that particular sentence. So based on what Google have found out, this journal is very related. So I will click on it. I will copy the DOI. I'll bring it to references. I'll put it here. Come on, hurry up. Okay, it cannot cite it for me. It's telling me that the journal does not have name. Journal name is missing. So I have to go and get the journal name. What's the journal name now? How would I get that? Now that one is difficult to get because it's not here. So I have to figure that out. Once I get the journal name, okay, okay, this is the journal name. This is the journal name. So I'll put it there. Okay. After that, you should finish the citation for me. Aha, so this is the citation. Are you with me? So so these are references. I will do that. And then I will now copy the citation, then put it here on my document to replace this. Are you with me? So that is one of the smoothest way to correct your citation. Now, that is if your work does not have citation and you want citation to be there or correct citation or up to date citation, you bring it to an AI to do that. Or any AI that you trust that can search database for you. That's what you do. Are you with me? Now, I use another AI to complete what I was doing for this person. That AI, I called it Claude. All these AI, they're actually expensive. I hope we don't. Okay. Claude AI. Where are you? So this is Claude. Fortunately, it has expired. Interesting. But anyway, it did something quality for me. Oh boy. Let me see if I can reload it. Can I reload? It's not reloaded. Not reload. Okay, but you can see what he's saying. He said, now let me carefully write them. Okay, this is code review that you wrote for me. I pray I'll be able to find this thing. If I can't find it, new charts. It has gone. Okay, it has gone. But anyway, you got what I'm saying. Claude can also give you something beautiful. So if you are using Claude, you can get it. If you are using JDI, you can get it. ChatGPT cannot give you. Gemini cannot give you. All those things they can't give you. You understand? But if you know you don't have access to AI to use, this second method that I use for us, that was copy the sentences. So you can copy that sentence one by one. Copy the sentence like this. Sorry, we are rounding up now. I told us I have a training. I have a meeting. So you can copy this. Since you don't have access to AI that you can use, you don't have the money to pay to subscribe. So you can just copy this, take it to Google and paste it. I'm not using AI mode. I used to using AI mode between. No, I'm not using AI mode. All right. So you take it to Google. So this is the most related journal. So you open it, you copy. Okay, this journal does not have DOI. Remember, yeah, your reference must have DOI. This is a problem. So you cannot use this journal. DOI is not there, and it's DOI you can copy to keyboard. Do you have another journal that is closely related? Okay, this journal is closely related. This also does not have DOI. But let's see if you copy this. Oh, I'm not copy. Okay, this is a problem you're having. All right, let's try and use this. I want to round up now, please. I don't think this one to has DOI. Okay, this one does not have DOI. Okay, I think this one too can work. Let's look at this. Let's see if you can. this has DOI. Okay, but this one has its own citation. Okay, since this one has its own, so we can use this. It has its own references, we can use this. Makes sense. So, but this one has, yeah, this one has DOI. This DOI. So you can copy this, take it to keyboards, put it there. Unable to retrieve what? I don't understand. What are you unable to retrieve? I better retrieve his job. What are you unable to retrieve? Ah, thank you. You can't be unable to retrieve. Oh. So we need the citation. You put it here, right? That's the citation. Of course, we are going to adjust it again. The references. This is a reference. That citation. You open another document to be storing the references. Okay, so you've done that for this. You copy this also. You copy it. You go to Google. You can delete all this. Okay, so look for the most related journal. Okay, I can't find any journal for this. So when you have things like this that you can't find journal for, that's when you are going to need the AI. We are going to use AI to help you out. Are you with me? But if you stay online very well and you search enough, you're able to get journals that's related to it, and then you can reference it to keyboards. So this end our training tonight, everyone. Thank you. If you have questions, can kindly chat me up. I will provide answers. Okay. I hope you've been blessed. I hope I've solved our issue. So if you have citation issue, the AI will clear it. At least Jenny AI that I know will clear it for you. Okay. But if you have other AIs that you're using, just use the prompts I use for us in the class. It will help you out. Okay. I've used Jenny AI to update my citation. I've used Jenny AI to correct the citation. I've used Jenny AI to look for journals for a reference or for a write-up. You understand? Okay. All right. Thank you, everyone. Good night. I need to really join my class now.